Sanquin to the outside gate, goes straight in. They're all set. And away they go. All broke away smoothly. Arcadaro setting off for the early lead. Nobody really in a hurry to go to the front, though. Sanquin from the outside gate. Just in behind that comes Zardino. Up alongside Sky Rush has now taken third. Straight to Midnight Extreme outside. Deputy Former is taken back to be second last, and that'll leave Willie Conquer, the trailer, 6 off them. They head to the three-quarter pole, and Arcadero's on a stranglehold out here. They don't want to go. They're not going quickly at all. Arcadero, rider, trying to take them as slow as he can. Racing up alongside of Arcadero is Sanquin now, just a length in behind those as Straight to Midnight. At the rails, Zardino's also on a tight hole between horses Sky Rush. Deputy Former's keen to go on. No more than 2.5 runners separates those 6. And then a gap of 4 back to Willie Conquer. A half mile to go now, and on the far side, Dynaformer's now going up to almost make it 4 in a line. Arcadero's right there down at the rail. Straight to Midnight is in there as well, and Sanquin between horses. They quickening into the turn now. Deputy Former's dropped back to the 4th spot on the inside. Jarzinho's travelling well enough in the red cap, just needs somewhere to run. Then Sky Rush, and now starting to run on from last as Willie Conquer, wide open. Willie Conquer's coming with a big run. Gold Cap Extreme outside. Arcadero's on the inside. Willie Conquer though, and now here's Deputy Former in the white cap. Big shot as well. Zardino red cap getting out late, but it's Willie Conquer come from last to first, and Willie Conquer in full flight for the wire, striding home powerfully. Willie Conquer impressive by 2. Willie Conquer, Arcadero second, Deputy Former third, and Jarzinho finished 4th.